again we will start.
The East Khasi Hills District Administration on Friday confirmed that the majority of the migrants who had taken shelter in Shillong city had left for Manipur and other parts of the country. This was informed followed a meeting between the district administration and members of the Hinyotrap Youth Council. Additional Deputy Commissioner Ronnie Watlang said that the majority of them have already left Shillong except for the students who are pursuing their studies in Shillong.
Elderly, the old, the infirm and children. Have the numbers of the migrants, the list of which was shared with the local police station and the Office of the Superintendent of Police and also with the institutions of the Dorbarshno. A majority of them have already left Shillong, and we are in constant touch with the members of the different associations of the different tribes in Manipur residing in Shillong. And in our constant association with them, we have been told that except for students who are pursuing their studies in Shillong, in different institutions, both school and colleges, a great majority of them have already left either for Manipur or for other parts of the country.
Mausan Ram MLA Olan Singh Sun